What if I told you that the biggest reason most people never become wealthy isn't how much they earn? In fact, I've seen people earning over £100,000 a year living from payday to payday, while others earning half that amount, quietly building real wealth. So what's the difference? After more than 25 years working in finance, I've noticed one simple rule that almost every wealthy person follows, and many people completely ignore. Let me show you what it is. Most people believe wealth comes from earning more money, but that's only part of the story. If earning a high salary automatically made people wealthy, then every doctor, lawyer, lottery winner would stay rich forever. Yet we know that's not true. People earning six-figure salaries still get into debt. Lottery winners often lose everything. So clearly, income alone isn't the answer. Wealth isn't determined by how much money comes in. It's determined by what happens after the money arrives. Here's the rule. Wealth is built by buying assets faster than you buy liabilities. It sounds incredibly simple, but almost nobody actually lives this way. Let's start with assets. An asset is simply something that either increases in value over time or produces income. Think of a house that rises in value, a stock that pays dividends, an investment fund, a business, rental property, even your pension. Assets are like employees. Instead of you working for money, your assets start working for you, every day, even while you're asleep. Now let's talk about liabilities. A liability is something that takes money away from you. Every month, every year, sometimes for decades. Think about expensive car finance, credit card debt, personal loans, luxury items bought on finance. They don't usually produce income. They simply require you to keep earning money to pay for them. Good and bad debts. This is where some people get confused. Not all debt is bad. In fact, businesses use debt every single day. The important question is, what did the debt buy? Imagine borrowing $200,000 to buy a property that increases in value and produces rental income. That debt is helping you build wealth. Now imagine borrowing $40,000 to buy a brand new car. The moment you drive it away, it begins losing value. Yet you're still making repayments. One debt buys an asset, the other buys consumption. That's the difference. Now let's look at the most powerful force in wealth creation: compound growth. Imagine investing just $300 every month. At first, the growth seems tiny, but then something incredible starts happening. Your investment earns returns, then those returns start earning returns, then those returns earn even more returns. Over 20 or 30 years, growth becomes exponential. It starts slowly, then accelerates. That's why time matters more than trying to find the perfect investment. After 5 years, you have invested $18,000 and your money is worth around $21,500. The growth still looks fairly small. But after 15 years, you have contributed $54,000 and built approximately $95,000. After 30 years, you have personally invested $108,000, but the investment may be worth around $366,000. More than $257,000 of that value comes from growth rather than your own contributions. That is compound growth in action. Unfortunately, most people accidentally do the opposite. They earn money, increase their lifestyle, buy a bigger car, take on more finance, upgrade the phone, increase subscriptions, move into a larger house they can barely afford. Every salary increase disappears. This is called lifestyle inflation. They earn more, but they don't actually become wealthier. So here's the one rule to remember. Every month buy more assets than liabilities. Build assets that generate income, use debt carefully, and only when it helps you acquire appreciating or income-producing assets. Give compound growth enough time to work. And remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, month after month, year after year. Small decisions repeated consistently create extraordinary results.